In this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Grass. So the first step is to simply go to phantom.com and then you're gonna have to download their Chrome extension. And after that, you're gonna have to make sure that you have an active wallet like this. And then you're gonna have to go back to Grass and then click on rewards on the left side. And then after you install the Chrome extension, simply refresh this page and then you're gonna have to click on the connect wallet button, and then we're gonna have to select Phantom and make sure it says detected. And as you can see, the Chrome extension will open, then simply click on connect, and then we're gonna have to click on verify. So now we're gonna have to click on confirm, and basically that's all we have to do. So now we're gonna have to click on send verification email. So we're gonna have to verify our wallet. Now I'm gonna go back to Gmail. So as you can see, there it is. So we're gonna have to simply verify this, and that's all we have to do. Now we can simply go back, and as you can see, we have our wallet right here. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.